China Type 99A Tank, History, Present and Future. Introduction. The Type 99A tank, known as ZTZ-99, represents the pinnacle of Chinese tank design and is a key component of the People's Liberation Army's PLA modern armored forces. Initially introduced in the early 2000s, the Type 99 series has undergone various upgrades and modifications culminating in the advanced Type 99A variant. This report will explore the history, current capabilities and future prospects of the Type 99A tank. Historical background. Development timeline. The origins of the Type 99 tank can be traced back to the late 1980s, when the Chinese military recognized the need for a more advanced main battle tank to replace the aging Type 88. The development process officially began in 1989, and the first prototype of its predecessor, the Type 98, was unveiled during the 1999 National Day Parade. The Type 99 entered service in 2001 as China's first mass-produced third-generation main battle tank. Influence of global conflicts. The First Gulf War in 1991 profoundly impacted Chinese military strategy and tank design. Observing the effectiveness of Western tanks like the M1 Abrams against Soviet-designed T-72s highlighted the vulnerability of China's existing tank fleet. Consequently, the PLA sought to modernize its armored vehicles, leading to the development of the Type 99, which incorporated both Western and Soviet design principles. Design and features. Structural composition. The Type 99A tank features a welded steel hull and a turret made from composite armor, providing significant protection against various threats. The tank's design incorporates advanced materials including ceramic and explosive reactive armor (ERA), enhancing its survivability on the battlefield. Armament. The Type 99A is equipped with a powerful 125mm smoothbore cannon capable of firing multiple types of ammunition, including armor-piercing fin-stabilized discarding sabot APFSDS rounds and guided missiles. The gun is stabilized by a hydraulic system, allowing for accurate firing while on the move. The tank also carries a coaxial 7.62mm machine gun and a 12.7mm anti-aircraft machine gun, providing a versatile armament suite. Mobility and power. Powered by a 1500 horsepower diesel engine, the Type 99A can reach a top speed of 80 km/h, 50 mph on roads, with an off-road speed of approximately 60 km/h, 37 mph. The tank's advanced suspension system, which includes torsion bars and hydraulic shock absorbers, enables it to navigate a variety of terrains effectively. Fire control systems. The fire control system of the Type 99A includes advanced features such as a ballistic computer laser rangefinder and thermal imaging, allowing for rapid target acquisition and engagement. The tank can fire accurately even under adverse weather conditions, thanks to its sophisticated targeting technology. Operational history. Military exercises. While the Type 99A has not seen extensive combat in actual warfare, it has participated in numerous military exercises and international competitions. Notably, in 2019, the tank was deployed to the Tibetan Plateau for high-altitude military drills, demonstrating its capability to operate in extreme environments. Limited combat experience. The Type 99A's combat experience remains limited, primarily consisting of domestic military exercises. Its performance in actual combat scenarios has yet to be fully evaluated, raising questions about its effectiveness in real-world conflicts. Current state of the Type 99A. Production and deployment. As of 2024, over 1,300 units of the Type 99 and its variants have been produced. The Type 99S serves as the core of the PLA's armored divisions, acting as a spearhead for ground offensives. Despite its high cost, approximately $2.5 million per unit, the Type 99A is considered essential for modernizing China's military capabilities. Upgrades and variants. The Type 99A has undergone several upgrades, including enhancements to fire control systems, armor, and mobility features. The introduction of the Type 99A1 and Type 99A2 variants reflects ongoing efforts to improve the tank's performance and adaptability to modern combat environments. Future prospects. Continuing modernization. As China continues to modernize its military, the Type 99A is expected to play a crucial role in the PLA's armored forces. Future upgrades may focus on integrating advanced technologies such as improved active protection systems and enhanced sensor capabilities to ensure the tank remains competitive against emerging threats. Challenges and considerations. Despite its advanced features, the Type 99A faces challenges related to its high production costs and potential vulnerabilities. The reliance on an autoloader system has raised concerns about the tank's survivability in combat, particularly in light of recent conflicts where similar systems have demonstrated weaknesses. Conclusion. The Type 99A tank stands as a testament to China's advancements in military technology and armored warfare. With its combination of firepower, mobility, and protection, the Type 99A is poised to be a key asset for the PLA in future conflicts. As military modernization efforts continue, the Type 99A's evolution will be closely monitored, providing insights into China's strategic ambitions and capabilities on the world stage. The Type 99A, a flagship main battle tank of China, represents a blend of advanced military technology and strategic innovation. Unraveling its history, present capabilities, and future prospects reveals several counterintuitive aspects that challenge conventional wisdom about modern armored warfare, particularly with respect to its operational deployment, design philosophy, and combat readiness. Historical context and development. The Type 99A's roots trace back to the late 1980s, a period during which the People's Liberation Army (PLA) was keenly aware of the deficiencies highlighted during the First Gulf War. While one might assume that the lessons learned from this conflict would directly influence the rapid development of advanced armor, the reality is more complex. The Chinese military's modernization efforts were not just a reaction to external threats but also an internal acknowledgement of its own historical reliance on Soviet designs. The Type 99A emerged from a lineage of tanks that included the Type 88 and the Type 96, reflecting a gradual evolution rather than a revolutionary leap. This evolutionary approach underscores a long-term strategy rather than a quick fix to perceived inadequacies. Design philosophies. Counterintuitively, the Type 99A incorporates a mix of Western and Soviet design principles, which might suggest a lack of originality. However, this synthesis is a conscious strategy to leverage the strengths of both schools of thought. For instance, while the tank maintains the low profile and sloped armor reminiscent of the T-72, it integrates modular composite armor and advanced electronic systems more typical of Western designs. This duality is not merely for aesthetic purposes, it highlights an intention to create a versatile platform capable of adapting to various combat scenarios. Thus, rather than signaling a lack of innovation, the Type 99's design represents a calculated effort to maximize effectiveness across diverse operational environments. Combat history and deployment. While one might expect that a tank of such advanced design would see extensive combat use, the Type 99A's actual combat experience has been limited. This raises the question, why invest heavily in a state-of-the-art tank if it is not intended for widespread deployment? The counterintuitive answer lies in the PLA's strategic framework, where the Type 99A is primarily viewed as a symbol of deterrence and technological prowess rather than a frontline combat vehicle. Its presence serves to project power and confidence, particularly in the context of regional tensions, rather than being merely a tool for immediate warfare. The Type 99A has participated in various military exercises, particularly in challenging terrains such as the Tibetan Plateau. This operational testing is not solely about assessing combat readiness but also about demonstrating technological superiority to both domestic and international audiences. Thus, the tank's limited direct engagement in combat scenarios does not diminish its value, rather, it reflects a broader strategic narrative that prioritizes deterrence and readiness over immediate deployment. Future prospects. Looking ahead, the future of the Type 99A involves continued modernization, including enhancements in fire control systems and armor protection. However, the counterintuitive aspect of this future trajectory is the potential for increased reliance on existing tank models such as the Type 96. While the Type 99A is seen as the pinnacle of Chinese tank design, its high cost and sophisticated technology may lead to a preference for mass-producing more economical variants in conventional combat scenarios. This could result in a two-tiered approach where elite tanks like the Type 99A serve specialized roles while more numerous less advanced tanks handle the bulk of ground operations. Moreover, the integration of active protection systems (APS) and countermeasures like laser dazzlers suggests a shift towards an asymmetric approach to combat, instead of simply relying on heavy armor for protection. The Type 99A's design increasingly incorporates technology to counteract modern threats such as anti-tank guided missiles. This evolution highlights a recognition that future warfare may not be won solely through brute force but through technological superiority and adaptability. Conclusion. The Type 99A tank embodies a complex interplay of historical evolution, design philosophy, and strategic objectives that defy traditional expectations of modern armored warfare. Its limited combat history does not equate to obsolescence. Instead, it signifies a broader strategy focused on deterrence and technological leadership. As the PLA continues to modernize, the Type 99A will likely remain a pivotal element not just as a combat vehicle but as a symbol of China's military aspirations. The counterintuitive nature of its development and deployment challenges conventional wisdom, suggesting that in modern warfare perception often holds as much weight as capability. The Type 99A tank is a representation of China's military modernization efforts. Encapsulates a wealth of technological advancements and design philosophies that merit deeper examination beyond the typical specifications and historical context often highlighted in reports. Here are several key aspects of the Type 99A that are frequently overlooked yet are significant to understanding its role in modern warfare and the future of military technology. 1. Design philosophy and hybridization. One of the most significant overlooked aspects of the Type 99A is its hybrid design, which combines elements from both Western and Soviet tank designs. While many discussions focus on the tank specifications, the underlying design philosophy reflects a strategic choice to incorporate proven technologies from multiple sources. This hybridization is not merely aesthetic. It serves a fundamental purpose of maximizing combat effectiveness in varied scenarios. The Type 99A's design integrates Western concepts of modular armor and advanced fire control systems with Soviet principles of mobility and firepower. This design choice signifies a deliberate attempt by the Chinese military to leverage global innovations while avoiding over-reliance on any single military doctrine. This strategic blend not only enhances the tank's capabilities but also reflects China's broader approach to military modernization, adopting and adapting successful technologies from around the world. 2. Active Protection Systems (APS). Another critical area often underexplored is the Type 99A's Active Protection Systems (APS). The tank is equipped with both soft-kill and hard-kill APS, which are designed to enhance survivability against modern anti-tank threats, such as guided missiles and rocket-propelled grenades. The integration of these systems is significant as it places the Type 99A in a category of tanks that can actively defend against incoming threats rather than relying solely on passive armor. The hard-kill APS, reportedly based on the Russian Arena system, could intercept incoming projectiles before they reached the tank, fundamentally changing the dynamics of armored warfare. The implications of such technology extend beyond mere survivability. They influence tactical doctrines, operational planning, and battlefield strategies. As nations increasingly invest in missile technology, the effectiveness of tanks equipped with APS will be a critical factor in future conflicts. 3. Mobility and terrain adaptability. While the specifications of the Type 99A boast impressive speed and power, the tank's adaptability to diverse terrains is frequently understated. The vehicle's ability to perform in extreme environments, such as high-altitude military exercises conducted in the Tibetan Plateau, showcases its versatility. This adaptability is crucial for a nation like China, which faces a variety of geographical challenges. The Type 99A's design allows it to operate effectively in urban, desert, mountainous, and even aquatic environments with a fording capability of up to 4.5 meters. This multifaceted operational capability means the tank is not just a weapon of war, it serves as a strategic asset that can be deployed in various scenarios, from traditional battlefield engagements to peacekeeping missions in complex terrains. 4. Digital warfare integration. The integration of digital systems in the Type 99A is a pivotal yet often overlooked feature. The tank is equipped with a sophisticated command-control communications, computers, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance C4ISR system, which facilitates real-time data sharing and situational awareness on the battlefield. This capability is crucial in modern warfare, where information dominance can determine the outcome of engagements. The digital mapping systems, GPS integration, and encrypted communications enhance the coordination between armored units and other military branches such as air and infantry forces. As warfare becomes increasingly network-centric, the Type 99A's digital warfare capabilities may provide a significant advantage in future conflicts, allowing for quicker decision-making and more effective tactical responses. 5. Combat history and performance metrics. While the Type 99A has been showcased in numerous military exercises, its limited combat history is a point often glossed over. The tank's performance in actual combat scenarios remains an unknown, which introduces a layer of uncertainty regarding its effectiveness in real-world conditions. The reliance on exercises and competitions such as the International Army Games, while useful for demonstrating capabilities, does not equate to battlefield performance. Understanding the limitations of its operational history is essential for evaluating the Type 99A's potential. Any assessment of its capabilities must consider the complexities of modern warfare, where variables such as enemy tactics, terrain, and logistical support can significantly alter outcomes. 6. Economic considerations and production rates. The cost implications of the Type 99A are often mentioned but not fully appreciated. With a production cost of approximately $2.5 million per unit, the Type 99A's high price tag limits the number of tanks that can be produced and deployed within the People's Liberation Army (PLA). This economic factor influences strategic decisions about the balance between quality and quantity in armored formations. The high cost means that the Type 99A is likely to serve in specialized roles, acting as a spearhead in combined arms operations rather than forming the backbone of armored divisions. The economic constraints underline a critical aspect of military modernization, investing in cutting-edge technology while maintaining a balance with more numerically robust, albeit less advanced, tank models like the Type 96. 7. Future developments and upgrades. The ongoing modernization of the Type 99 series, including the anticipated Type 99A2 and beyond, reflects a commitment to continuous improvement. The incorporation of new technologies such as enhanced armor, upgraded fire control systems, and further APS enhancements indicates that the Type 99A will evolve in response to emerging threats and technological advancements. The significance of these future developments lies not only in the immediate enhancements to the Type 99A but also in their broader implications for military strategy. As adversaries develop countermeasures and new technologies, the ability of the Type 99A to adapt will be crucial in maintaining its relevance on the modern battlefield. Conclusion. The Type 99A tank embodies a complex interplay of design innovation, advanced technologies, and strategic considerations that extend beyond mere specifications. Understanding these often overlooked aspects is essential for grasping the tank's significance within the context of modern military capabilities in future warfare. As China continues to modernize its armed forces, the Type 99A will likely play a pivotal role, serving as both a benchmark for Chinese armor and a reflection of broader global military trends. The Type 99A tank represents a significant advancement in China's armored capabilities, reflecting a blend of historical influences, modern design, and future potential. Here are 4 valuable points for in-depth analysis and discussion. 1. Design evolution and technological integration. The Type 99A is a culmination of China's efforts to modernize its military. Drawing from both Western and Soviet tank design principles, the tank's design incorporates modular composite armor, reactive armor, and advanced fire control systems. This evolution began with the Type 88 and progressed through the Type 98 prototype to the Type 99 and its subsequent iterations, including the Type 99A. The integration of features such as the 125mm smoothbore gun capable of firing various types of ammunition and a highly automated fire control system allows for superior battlefield performance. The modernization reflects a strategic shift in the People's Liberation Army (PLA) towards rapid mechanization and technological sophistication. Discussion points. Compare the design philosophy of the Type 99A with contemporary tanks from other nations such as the American M1 Abrams or the German Leopard 2. Analyze how the integration of Western technology influences the operational capabilities of the Type 99A in joint exercises with foreign militaries. 2. Combat history and operational experience. Despite its advanced specifications, the Type 99A has seen limited combat experience, primarily participating in domestic exercises and international military competitions. Notably, its performance during high-altitude operations in Tibet in 2019 showcased its adaptability to challenging environments. However, the lack of real combat scenarios raises questions about its effectiveness in actual warfare. Discussion points. Evaluate the implications of limited combat experience on the perceived reliability and effectiveness of the Type 99A. Discuss the potential impact of real-world combat conditions as evidenced by the ongoing conflicts and their lessons learned on the future utilization of the Type 99A. 3. Cost and deployment challenges. The Type 99A, with an estimated cost of around $2.5 million per unit, presents significant budgetary challenges for the PLA. The high cost limits the number of tanks that can be fielded compared to more numerous models like the Type 96. This financial constraint necessitates a strategic approach to deployment, where the Type 99A is utilized as a spearhead in armored formations supporting other units rather than acting as the primary tank. Discussion points. Investigate the trade-offs between quality and quantity in military procurement and how this affects PLA armored strategies. Consider how budget limitations influence the modernization and development of other military assets within the PLA. 4. Future upgrades and strategic role. The Type 99A tank is expected to undergo continuous modernization to maintain its competitive edge. Future upgrades may focus on enhancing the active protection system's fire control technologies and overall battlefield integration capabilities. As China continues to advance its military modernization efforts, the Type 99A is likely to play a critical role in the PLA's future armored operations. Discussion points. Explore potential advancements in military technology that could be incorporated into future iterations of the Type 99A. Analyze the strategic implications of the Type 99's modernization for regional security dynamics in Asia, especially concerning neighboring military powers. Conclusion. The Type 99A tank stands as a testament to China's military modernization and its ambitions to establish a formidable armored force. Understanding its design, operational history, cost implications, and future upgrades provides critical insights into the evolving landscape of modern warfare and the strategic considerations of the PLA. Further discussions on these points can deepen the analysis of the Type 99A's role in contemporary and future conflict scenarios. 1. The M1 Abrams tank. United States. The M1 Abrams is a third-generation main battle tank developed by the United States. First entering service in 1980. It was designed in response to the need for a highly mobile, well-protected and lethal tank capable of engaging modern armored threats. The M1 Abrams features a 105mm rifled gun later upgraded to a 120mm smoothbore cannon, advanced composite armor, and a powerful turbine engine that allows it to reach speeds of up to 42 miles per hour on roads. It has undergone several upgrades over the years, including the M1A1 and M1A2 variants, which introduced enhanced armor, fire control systems, and electronic warfare capabilities. The M1 Abrams has seen extensive combat in conflicts such as the Gulf War and the Iraq War, proving its effectiveness in modern warfare. 2. The Leopard 2 tank. Germany. The Leopard 2 is a highly regarded main battle tank developed by Germany, first entering service in 1979. It was designed to combine mobility, firepower, and protection, and has been exported to numerous countries. The Leopard 2 features a 120mm smoothbore cannon and advanced composite armor, including layers of steel, ceramics, and plastic to provide superior protection against various threats. The tank has seen multiple upgrades leading to variants such as the Leopard 2A4, 2A5, and 2A7, which have improved armor, fire control systems, and battlefield management capabilities. The Leopard 2 has participated in various international peacekeeping and combat operations, showcasing its reliability and performance in diverse environments. 3. The T-90 tank. Russia. The T-90 is a third-generation main battle tank developed by Russia, entering service in 1992. It is an evolution of the T-72 and features several advancements over its predecessors, including enhanced armor protection, a more powerful 125mm smoothbore cannon, and improved fire control systems. The T-90 incorporates reactive armor and can fire guided missiles through its main gun, making it a versatile platform on the battlefield. The tank has seen action in various conflicts, including the Second Chechen War and the Syrian Civil War, where it has demonstrated its capabilities in urban and open terrain. The T-90's design and features have made it a popular choice for many countries, solidifying its place as one of the most widely used modern tanks. Future outlook, predictions for the Type 99A tank. The Type 99A tank, a centerpiece of China's armored forces, represents the pinnacle of Chinese tank design and technology. As the People's Liberation Army (PLA) continues to modernize and adapt to evolving warfare dynamics, several key predictions can be made about the future of the Type 99A and its role in military strategy. Continued modernization and upgrades. 1. Incremental upgrades. The Type 99A will likely undergo continuous modernization. This includes enhancements to its fire control systems, armor, and mobility. Future variants, such as the anticipated Type 99A2 and beyond, may integrate advanced technologies such as AI-driven targeting systems, improved situational awareness tools, and enhanced communication capabilities for better coordination on the battlefield. 2. Integration of new technologies. We can expect the incorporation of cutting-edge technologies such as active protection systems, APS, improved explosive reactive armor (ERA), and possibly even directed energy weapons. The ongoing development of the GL-6 active protection system, capable of intercepting incoming projectiles, could become standard in future models, significantly enhancing survivability. Strategic role in PLA operations. 3. Spearhead for armored operations. The Type 99A is poised to remain the spearhead of PLA armored divisions designed to breach enemy lines and lead assaults. Its advanced firepower and mobility make it a formidable opponent, particularly in high-intensity conflicts. It will serve a crucial role in combined arms operations, working alongside infantry, artillery, and air support to achieve strategic objectives. For adaptation to new warfare environments. As warfare increasingly shifts to urban and asymmetric environments, the Type 99A may see adaptations to enhance its effectiveness in such scenarios. This could include modifications for urban warfare such as reduced profile features, enhanced maneuverability in confined spaces, and improved close support capabilities. International developments and export potential. 5. Global defense market impact. The Type 99A's technological advancements may position it as a competitive player in the global defense market. As China seeks to expand its influence in arms exports, the Type 99A could be marketed to allied nations. Its proven capabilities in exercises and its adaptability to various combat scenarios will make it an attractive option for militaries seeking to modernize their armored forces. 6. Geopolitical implications. The continued development and deployment of the Type 99A will have significant geopolitical implications. As China enhances its military capabilities, regional tensions may escalate, prompting neighboring countries to bolster their own defenses. This arms race could lead to increased military spending and a shift in power dynamics in Asia and beyond. Technological challenges and vulnerabilities. 7. Addressing vulnerabilities. While the Type 99A boasts impressive capabilities, it is not without vulnerabilities. The carousel autoloader, though efficient, has been a point of concern in modern combat scenarios. Future developments will need to address these vulnerabilities, possibly by redesigning the autoloader mechanism or enhancing overall armor configurations. 8. Cyber and electronic warfare preparedness. As warfare becomes increasingly digital, the Type 99A will need to adapt to cyber threats and electronic warfare. Ensuring robust cybersecurity measures for onboard systems will be crucial to prevent adversaries from gaining an advantage through electronic disruption. Conclusion. The Type 99A tank is set to play a pivotal role in China's military strategy for the foreseeable future. With ongoing modernization efforts, adaptive capabilities for diverse combat environments, and potential export opportunities, the Type 99A will remain a cornerstone of China's armored forces. However, it must navigate the challenges of evolving warfare, including technological vulnerabilities and geopolitical tensions. The effectiveness of the Type 99A in actual combat scenarios will ultimately determine its legacy as a key player in 21st-century armored warfare.